I mean, said that was my life.
Lovely track there. Welcome back, guys. So we're celebrating Jamaica this weekend, so why not rep from the ground up? Jamie Lee Bell, the Kingston branch manager for Divani Styles, is here to show us some standout sandals from their Emancipendence collection. And of course, how to style them for this season. Hi, Jamie. Welcome to Weekend Smile.
Hi, thank you for having me.
The sandals here look really, really beautiful. They look comfortable. They look so stylish. So tell me, what inspired the Emancipendence collection?
Well, we wanted to represent brand Jamaica, and that was the whole inspiration behind the Jamaican collection in a nutshell.
Okay. Do you find that persons normally look for, Jamaica branded sandals? Like they come and they say, hey, it's Jamaica Day, or I'm traveling, or I want to give a gift to somebody overseas, I need something Jamaica centric, whether and a little bit different from just a regular t-shirt,
For customers buying sandals for their family overseas, yes, we do get customers in that category, but Jamaicans overall purchasing Jamaica colors sandals, no, not really.
All right, tell us a little bit about the design process though. Are they handmade?
Yes, they are. They're handmade, genuine leather sandals. The insole is leather, the upper is leather, so it's all leather.
Can't mash up.
Can't mash up.
Okay, longevity you're going for, right? And of course, style and comfort and affordability. Okay, so walk us through now the process of making these sandals, and just like, as you mentioned, they're genuine leather. So the different styles that you have then. So walk us through that.
Okay, so this style is called the tie flip, and this tie flip actually has a twist.
Okay.
So it comes with a wedge heel on the side. So if you want it flat, I don't have a flat one here, but if you want it flat like this, it's available like that as well. Just to add a bit of elegance to it if you're going to a dinner
just
party.
A little height.
Yes.
Okay.
Just to add a bit of elegance.
You can just rest them on the table, it's fine. All right.
Right here we have the Zara that is boldly representing the Jamaican flag.
Okay.
As you can see right here. It's just a easy sandals to slide if you're going to the supermarket or if you're going to the beach or anything like that.
Nice slides. The black one closest to you. Which one is this one?
This one is called the Tri-An. And it has a cute little statement piece at the side, little triangle, and it goes around your feet like that. So that's a cute little number right
All right, just I point into this one here. You don't have to take it up.
Okay. So this one is called the June. And this one is a bit of a statement piece.
Okay, so take it up and show our viewers then.
So this one, what I like about the June actually, it has the buckles at the side can be adjusted to your feet.
Okay, so if you have a slimmer foot versus, a fatter foot.
Yeah, it can be adjusted, and then the straps makes a cute little X at the front, and then you buckle at the side.
Okay, all right. Talk to us about this one.
Okay.
I'll take it up for you.
The Nisi, one of my favorites. So the thing that I like about this style is you can actually wear it two different ways. So you can wear it like a flip-flop like this, and then you can actually put your feet like that.
Okay,
and you can wear it
okay. So it can turn, it turns from a flip-flop to a sandal.
To a sandals, yes. So that's
all right. I'm going to point to this one here because it's already upright. Okay, tell me about this one.
So that's the Lacy. And she is a cute little unusual piece if you want to go to a dinner date or anything like that. And
I see we have the colors here representing right on top.
Yes.
Okay. All right. Okay, we spoke about this one here. The one, actually, this one behind here, well, this is a little different than, all right, let me take this one up. Okay, tell me about this one now.
So that one is called the Reminot. And we actually have two versions of that style. So we have the knot and then we have the Reminot. So the Reminot is made up, which is that one, it's made up of multiple different straps, where this one is just made from one strap. So it's like two different versions of the same sandals.
Okay, all right. Okay, so we're going through now. Everything is so different about each of them.
Yeah.
They're unique in their own way. So tell me about this one now.
Little way. That one is basically like a different version to this style.
Okay.
So it's just the same sandals with a bit of a twist.
Okay, all right. And then we're gonna go behind here. I see we have one here, which is this green.
The Amanda, yes.
The Amanda.
In the color Kelly green. She is a very simple but classy sandals.
Okay, okay. All right, and I can get this in different colors.
Available in all different colors.
All right, and then last, well, I'm not done yet because I think I have two more around there. So many different styles. Tell me about this one now.
Yes, the Vonnie styles have over 30 different styles.
Over 30 different styles?
Available, yes.
Wow, okay. I was just looking at the size of this one because this one look, go home with me-ish. All right, so tell me about this one.
That's the Taylor Ann, and she's in the color metallic green. So it's a very shiny, very date night sandals.
Okay, if you want something a little bit different, a little bit, a little oomph.
Yeah.
The oomph
it's not a color that you see every day.
No, not the metallic green. Oh, did we speak about this one?
Yes, we did.
Okay, we spoke about this one. We didn't speak about this one.
This one is called the Tidia. This style, I think, is a very underestimated style.
This is so cute.
I don't think you see the beauty of it until you actually put it on your feet, because it makes a little X at the front there,
right?
And then your toe just goes in right at the top.
Right here,
yeah.
And then it crosses.
Yes, so the X is like at your toe.
Okay.
At your big toe right there.
All right. I know you have two more here, so let me grab this one. You can put this one back for me. Okay, so tell me about this one now.
So that one is called the Nardies for our sophisticated ladies.
Okay.
So that's a very sophisticated style, and it's available in the wedge. Well, all sandals are available in the wedge.
Okay, so
if you want it.
Okay, if I want to add a little bit of height, I can. Or if I just want them flat, like flat sandals, I can too. And then last but definitely not least,
this is a twist to the Amanda. The Amanda buckle. So this has the adjustable straps. Okay. So if you want to have that little adjust, because over time leather tends to adjust.
Right.
So if you want to get it that way, you can.
Okay, so I can get it with buckle, without buckle. And it seems like you've actually managed to touch on every single kind of style of sandal.
Yes.
Honestly. Right? And if there's something that I see a style here and I want to add a buckle, I can come to you guys and say, hey,
We're very big on inclusivity at the Vonnie style. So if you want to customize your colors, you can do so free of cost.
Okay.
If you have a style that you have in mind and you want to come to us and say, hey, can you make this? But I want it in genuine leather. That's available as well.
Okay. And then, tell us a little bit about the pricing now, because like the lowest that you can get one, you don't have to walk me through the prices for all of them, but just give me a range, for example.
Like these sandals without the wedge would be just $10,000.
Okay.
And this one
is genuine leather, which means not going to strip it, not going to pop it, not going to mash up on you.
You're going to have it for years.
For years and years and years to come until you can't wear it anymore. So we're starting at $10,000 and of course the price goes up. And in terms of the styling, a lot of persons are looking at sandals. You can pair them with just about anything. So you mentioned going to the beach with the slides. You mentioned, if it is that you have a little date night going on there with the little razzle dazzle, the metallic green. What about, if it is that you're traveling or whatever it is that you're doing? They're suitable.
They're suitable. I have customers that getting married. That actually get married in the sandals.
Wow, so I can come and say I want a pearly white.
And we do leather branding as well.
Okay.
So if you want to get your wedding date on the sandal, that's also available.
Hey, that's cute. That's nice. Okay, memorabilia. All right, where can persons get the sandals?
You can follow us at the Vonnie_styles on any social media platform. We also have 2 locations, one in Mandeville at 41 James Warehouse, and also in Kingston at Constant Spring Arcade, shop 176.
Okay, and my final question for you before we go, Jamie Lee, you know, in terms of the contribution to style and fashion, you know, right here in Jamaica, you know, we're big on style, we're big on fashion in Jamaica. How do you feel about, you know, Devani's contribution to our culture at large?
Well, just the idea of persons overseas getting to appreciate and experience the handmade craft of locals, because they're made by Jamaica, designed by Jamaicans, just to experience that overall and support brand Jamaica is just something that we have contributed.
Mind-blowing, contributing it not only to right here in Jamaica, but the world at large. All right, they look amazing, they smell amazing as well. You know that leather smell, it really has it. And of course, so many different styles, so many different colors, but this is just the Emancipendence collection, the Jamaica collection. Thank you so much, Jamie, for stopping by.
Thank you for having me.
You are more than welcome. Kingston brand manager for Devani Styles, Jamie Lee Bell. Don't go anywhere, guys. We soon come.